Hello, welcome back. Now it's time to solve our first quiz, the quiz about first program. I hope you tried to solve it by yourself. If you couldn't do it or if you didn't have enough time, please, before watching the solution with me, please try one more time and then join me. Okay, let's go to the solutions. And we will do every question one by one. Question number 1. How many seconds are there in 24 minutes and 36 seconds? We have 24 minutes and in each minute we have 60 seconds and plus 36 seconds more. If I run this, you will see exactly this answer what we were expecting. Question number 2. The BET mobile having an average speed 80 kilometers per hour will travel from Gotham to Arkham. We know the distance between Gotham and Arkham, which is 450 kilometers. How many minutes will it take for BET mobile to travel from Gotham to Arkham? Okay, now first we know its speed and we know the distance. Okay, and the question is in minutes. First, we will find how many hours. This is the total distance. If I divide the total distance to speed kilometers per hour, this will give me the hour duration in hours. And if I multiply this with 60 minutes, then at the end I will get the total number of minutes from Gotham to Arkham. If I move this, if I run this, you will see exactly the same answer which we were expecting. Question number 3. What is the 14th power of 2? 2 to the power 14. To the power is exponential and it is done with 2 asterisks. 2 to the power 14. If I run this, you will see this is the answer. Question number 4. Can you print I love you, Python, I love you on the screen? Yes, we can. We will copy this. Actually, we love Python. Print Python, I love you. And beware these quotation marks at the start and at the end. So if I run this, you will see exactly the output. Python, I love you. Question number 5. Can you print the type of number 15? I will print type of 15. Okay, normally maybe you should did like this. It's okay, but I asked for print. I want to show you one more thing. If you run this, you will see it writes its class name also. It's int means integer in Python, integer. So the class is int in Python. We will see classes later on in OOP very deeply, so don't worry about that. Just beware that it's a built-in Python type, Python class. Okay, question number 6. Can you print the type of high Python expression? Now I want its type. Now I will print type of high Python. If I run this, it will give me string, type string, str. Question number 6. I guess 2. We have 2 number 6 here. Okay, great, no problem. Let's go on. Again, question number 6. Can you print the type of text 15? Okay, but this time it's text, not number type. And this one, str. If I print this, it will give me string, class string, class str. Question number 7. What is the remainder when we divide 49 by 5? Remainder is the modulus operator. When we did the division, it will give me what is remaining from this division. So if we do this and if we run this, it will give me 4, which is the remainder when we divide this. Okay, question number 8. What is the floor division, integer division result when you divide this? 49 integer division is with double division symbols, slashes, actually double slashes, it is integer division. It gives you the integer part of division. So if you divide 49 by 5, normally it's 9.8, but you will only get the integer part, so that's what we are looking at. Okay, and question number 9, what is the average sum of squares of integers from 1 to 5? I mean, you need to calculate this sum. So first we have to take the exponential, the squares, square of 1, square of 2, plus square of 3, plus 4, plus 5. Okay, to the power 2. This is this sum, this total. We want average, so we have to divide this into number of elements, which is 5. We have 5 numbers here. This is the summation sum, and this is number of elements. So if we divide, you will see the average. And if I run this, we will see it's 11, as you see here. Question number 10. Solve this equation with Python. X squared is 4 to the power 3 plus 17. What is the value of x? So how do we solve this problem? Let me show you. Let me take a pen and show you it with drawing. Delete this. And now what do we got here? We know that x squared is 4 to the power 3 plus 17. So in math, if you want to find x, you have to take this from here and take it here. And actually this is 4 to the power 3 plus 7 to the power 1 over 2. This is exactly the same thing, okay? This 2 here comes as 1 over 2 here. So now if I can somehow calculate this with Python, then I will get x. So let's do it. I will leave this here and type it at the same time. So first we need 4 to the power 3. Then we will add 17. Then we will take them into parentheses, and again we need exponential of 1 over 2. 1 over 2. That's exactly what we are looking for. One more time. First we calculate the inner part of parentheses. 4 to the power 3 this side plus 17. This is the inside of parentheses. Then we close parentheses, and again we take exponential to the power, but this time power is 1 over 2. So if you run this, you will see the answer is 9. So that's all for the first quiz solution. Let's put it as completed. And yeah, we did a lot for the first program. We now know the arithmetic operations. We know lots about types and how to make calculations with Python. In the next section, it's about variables. We will define our variables and start to do actual coding in Python. See you in the next section.